A proposal to give the IRS access to all financial transactions above $600 is raising concerns among congressional Republicans about government overreach. Democrats are pushing new regulations within Joe Biden's $3.5 trillion, 10-year social welfare bill that would require banks to annually report on the inflows and outflows of personal and business accounts. The reporting requirement would cover any transaction above $600 or bank accounts with deposits totaling that sum. Some Democrats are also pushing the new rules to cover mobile money transfer systems, like PayPal and Venmo. Republican critics say the low reporting threshold would essentially give the IRS unfettered access to how ordinary Americans spend their money. Some GOP lawmakers even say the expansion of federal powers would amount to a surveillance state. Senator Bill Hagerty, Tennessee Republican and former ambassador to Japan, said, "It feels a lot like communist China surveillance, doesn't it? They're going to insert themselves in every aspect of American lives. People don't want this." Biden administration officials defend the provision, saying it will help crack down on wealthy tax scofflaws and businesses that don't report taxable income. They point to the tax gap, the difference between what is owed to the federal government annually and the amount actually paid, as proof of the need for more financial reporting. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said earlier this week, "There's an enormous tax gap in the United States, estimated at $7 trillion over the next 10 years. And that's not coming from people failing to report wage income or dividend income where there's good information. It comes from places where the information on income is opaque and can be hidden." Along with the new reporting requirements, Democrats also want to use Joe Biden's social spending bill to beef up IRS tax enforcement, as one way to help pay for the other programs in the bill. Overall, lawmakers are proposing to invest an additional $79 billion in the agency to pursue tax cheats. GOP lawmakers say the expanded enforcement, along with the $600 bank reporting requirement, are likely to fall hardest on average Americans, who cannot afford to wage expensive legal fights with the IRS the way wealthy citizens can. Senator Minority Leader Mitch McConnell said, "Democrats want to spend nearly $80 billion so that federal tax authorities can expand their reach into the financial habits of average Americans snooping on transactions as small as $600. They want to finance their $3.5 trillion spending spree by effectively treating every ordinary American as if they were under an IRS audit."